Hey guys, and today we're making delicious cupcakes, and the best bit is that we're adding sprinkles, just like my birthday cake. Can't wait to eat these. So first you're going to put sugar and butter in a bowl. This is a mixer. Be careful, you might get hurt. Next thing you're going to do is put in the eggs. Make sure not to crack it on the floor. After that, mix again with the mixer. Be careful again. Scrape down the bowl with the spatula. What you're going to do is you're going to get your baking soda, and also you're going to get your vanilla powder and put it into your self-raising flour. Give your flour a mix with spools. Now is the gooey bit. You're gonna add your flour into your egg mixture and mix again. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna add your milk and then you're gonna mix again. Be careful, I don't want to spill. So now what you're gonna do is add your sprinkles, yummy, and then once you add it, you're gonna mix it with your spatula. I think it needs a bit more sprinkles, right here. Dump it in. Sprinkles are the best. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add 3 of these. Well, I have 3. If you have 4, you can add 4 of each color. I have yellow, green, blue, and red. In the meantime, what you're going to want to do to be safe, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab 2 spoons and you're going to put it into your cupcake things. What time is it? Oh, into the oven it goes. Oh, good. This one went so it's not well, but hope it tastes yummy. Oh, wow! Ingredients are just so neat. Oh, wait, you got this still here. Let's go on with the frosting. So, the ingredients is unsalted butter. Repeat after me. Salty butter. Okay, I'm sure you got it. And icing sugar. We put a lot because we like salt stuff. Oh, and vanilla. And milk. I cannot touch the milk because I will spill it, of course. Like, we all know that, right? And sprinkles on top, of course, because who wants sprinkles? Nice. I'm saucy. Now, you're gonna get your butter, put it in your mixing bowl, and you're gonna mix for like about 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. So put half of your icing sugar and half of your milk into your mixing bowl and then mix. Add the rest of your icing sugar and milk and then add the vanilla. Red. Oh, cupcake. Oh, frosting. There is pink and blue food coloring in this piping bag. So, okay, now I'm going to decorate it. I'm not good at decorating, but you never know. So if you have lids like this, you're going to pour some of the sprinkles in. Oh, that's a lot. And you're going to take it out from there. Sprinkle it out. And we need a lot of sprinkles because we sprinkle clean. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Nice.
The frosting's the best part.